One of the ways we can use a number line to compute is by using an open number line. And to investigate moving on a number line, we first started by playing the jump jump game. In this game, you are allowed to jump in either direction, forwards or backwards, by making jumps of 10s or 1s. And the idea is to get to your number in the fewest number of jumps. Now, it's important to know that your jumps don't need to be to scale when you are using an open number line. So you don't need to worry so much about the size of your jumps. Okay, so if I were going to jump from 0 to 53 in the fewest jumps possible, I would jump forward 10, five times. So I would make 5 jumps of 10. And I would land at 50. And then I would do 3 jumps of 1 and land at 53. That would be a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. And that would be the fastest way for me to get to 53. The second one, I'm trying to get from 0 to 29 in the fewest jumps possible. I would jump 2 jumps of 10. I would make a third jump of 10 so that I landed at 30. And I would make 1 jump back to 29. Instead of stopping at 20 and making 9 jumps forward, I can make fewer jumps by going to my nearest 10 and then back 1. So I made a total of 4 jumps there. So the students had fun playing the jump jump game, and then they moved on to a harder level where it involved tenths or decimals. So in the harder version of our jump jump game, we could still move forward or backward. We could make jumps of 10, 1, or 1/10. And again, the goal of the game was to get there in the fewest jumps possible. So if I was starting at 0, I could jump forward 1, 5 times, which would make me land at 5. And then I would jump 3/10 forward to 5.3, or 5 3/10. For round 2, and that was a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. For round 2, I had to go from 0 to 6.9 in the fewest jumps possible. So then for this one, I could jump forward, to 10. I would jump back 3 to 7, and then back 1/10 to 6.9. And that would count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So I could do that in 5 jumps, instead of just jumping 6 forward or 7 forward and then back 1 to 6.9. So that got our brains working around the idea of moving in 10s, 1s, and 10ths. In the next lesson, we moved on to operating with decimals on a number line, so this was just a warm-up for that activity.